In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Linktree on Pinterest. Connecting your Linktree to Pinterest is a great way to drive people from your pins straight to all of your important links, whether that's your website, your shop, or your social profiles. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step, so you can follow along on your own account. First, open your browser and go to Pinterest. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one profile. It can really help to double check that you're on the right account before you start changing any settings. Once you're on your Pinterest home feed, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small icon for settings and support. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Pinterest keeps all your account and profile options, including the place where we'll add your link tree. When the menu opens, select Settings. This will take you to your main settings page. If Pinterest asks you to confirm your password or verify anything, just follow those prompts so you can access everything. From here, you can adjust a lot of details, but we're going to focus on your profile website field. On the settings page, scroll down until you find the section that includes your website. This is usually labeled clearly as website. Before you paste anything in, make sure you already have your Linktree URL copied from another tab. It should look something like your unique Linktree address. Now, click into the website field and paste your Linktree URL there. Take a second to check for any extra spaces at the beginning or end, because even a small formatting error can sometimes cause issues with the link. After you've pasted your Linktree URL and confirmed it looks correct, move your attention to the bottom or top of the page, where you'll see the option to save your changes. Click on Save. Give it a moment to process. Once it's saved, your Linktree will now be connected as the website on your Pinterest profile. To double check, you can go back to your profile page and look for the website link under your name and bio. Click it to make sure it opens your Linktree correctly. And that's it. Your Linktree is now added to Pinterest, making it much easier for people who discover you through your pins to find everything else you have to offer.